Boral Surface Coat is an ideal solution for rejuvenating asphalt and concrete pavements. Hi, I'm Brad, I'm a part of the Boral team. Surface Coat can extend the life of the surface by protecting it from UV damage and oxidation. The wide range of colours available makes it easy to highlight different areas of car parks, playgrounds and warehouses. Here's a checklist of things to consider before starting a project. If your surface is new asphalt, allow it to cure for at least 30 days. New concrete should be cured for at least 14 days. Surface coat is best applied when the temperature is between 10 and 30 degrees, and make sure that there is no rain forecast for at least 6 hours. Today we're going to coat a car park area, so we'll need a broom, suitable adhesive tape, a large paint paddle or drill mounted mixer, a squeegee, a paint tray and roller longer than 200mm, and surface coat. Today we're going to be using black. While surface coat is non-toxic, we still recommend wearing suitable gloves, footwear, glasses and long clothing. Be careful to avoid runoffs during application so it doesn't enter our drains and waterways. Clean the area, removing all loose stones and debris. Make sure it is dry before you start. Any surface cracks should be repaired with a suitable crack sealant. Mask any areas needing a straight edge with tape. So let's get started. Firstly, mix surface coat thoroughly to ensure a uniform colour is applied. While a single coat looks great, multiple applications will enhance the finish. Today we'll apply 2 coats using 2 different methods. One with a squeegee and the other with a roller. Like painting a wall, cut in the edges first. Allow 4 hours drying time between each application. Roll the second coat at 90 degrees to the first, ensuring a full even coverage. Be sure not to apply too much to avoid overspill. Let the pavement dry for at least 4 hours before removing the tape and allowing pedestrian traffic. A full 24 hours is required before it can be used by vehicles. As you can see, the finish looks great.